Today, I have a trick for multiplying multi-digit numbers.
Do you sometimes lose your spot when you're multiplying big numbers? Well, here's a way one of my math friends taught me, and I think it might help.
Get out a piece of paper and give this trick a try.
Bum 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 bum. Here's how it works. You use shapes to help you remember what step you're on. Like this. If you're multiplying 552 times 23, draw shapes around the digits in the bottom number. Let's put a rectangle or square around the 3, and we'll circle the 2. Now I need to make sure I'm multiplying the rectangle by each of the numbers up top. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. Put the 5, carry the 1. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16. Now I go to the next number, so that's the circle. I'm going to multiply the circle times all the other numbers, but before I do that, I put my automatic 0 because I'm really in the tens place now. Then 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10. Put your 0. Carry your 1. 2 times 5 is 10. Plus that 1 we carried, so that's 11. Add them up. $552 times 23 is 12,696. Let's try it again. Write this one down. 604 times 12.
I want to see, but it won't let me. I'm fading. I'm fading.
It's right here, Ziggy.
Looks like she's putting shapes around the 12, Ziggy.
Yep. Good thing you got a close look at that, because that's exactly what I'm doing. Then we can multiply the square times each of the numbers up top. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 6 is 12. Then before we multiply the triangle times everything, it's in the tens place, we need to put our automatic 0 right there. And then 1 times 4. 1 times 0. 1 times 6. You're going to add them all up. $604 times 12 is 7,248.
I get it. That's awesome.
The more numbers you're multiplying by, the more shapes you can think of to mark each digit with. To multiply 334 times 152.
Wait a minute. If Ziggy can learn it, I can too.
Sure you can, Sally. Just look right here. Let's see, we can mark the 2 with a rectangle. We can circle the 5. And we can triangle the 1. Then we'll just multiply each of those shapes times the numbers at the top. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Before we multiply the next shape, we'll go to the next line and put our 0. Then we'll multiply the circle times everything. 5 times 4 is 20. 0, carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus that 2 you can barely see up there. That's 17. Put your 7, carry your 1. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. Before we get to the next shape, the triangle, that's in the hundredths place. We'll go down, put our 2 automatic zeros this time, and then multiply that 1 in that triangle times all the numbers up top. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Hopefully using the shapes will just help you remember which step you were on. And then add everything up. 6 plus 7 is 13, and 4 is 17. Put a 7, carry my 1. So that would be 7 plus 3 is 10. Carry my 1 over. 1 plus 2 is 2 plus 3 is 5. 50,768.
Well, that sure makes multiplying big numbers less rough.
Right on, Sally. It's certainly worth a try.
Talk to you soon. Bye bye.